How to make over $100 a day as a teen. Number one, guys, I know everybody here knows what candy is in school. In the vending machines, they sell candy for overpriced. $3 just for a little drink, $3 just for a little snack. What I recommend, guys, is going to the dollar store, buying snacks for $1, guys. When you guys go home, count your snacks, get all the snacks, and put them inside a bag, guys, a duffel bag. Do not forget to bring a jacket. Put the jacket inside of the duffel bag inside of the duffel bag, covering all the candy, guys, because one thing I'm gonna say, guys, selling anything in school is not allowed, guys. So if you guys do get caught, you guys will get in trouble, so unless your principals or teachers are cool with it. But I recommend not getting caught. Try not to say I'm selling candy out loud. Try to go up to people and say you want to buy some for it, and then say the price you guys will sell them for. And then after you guys sell, I recommend selling in the lunchroom, because that's where you guys could really sell. There's no way you're gonna be in class saying you want to. I mean, you can still try to sell in class. You feel me, to your friends, to people there. But I recommend not going too crazy. But yeah, guys, the best place to sell is the lunchroom, guys. You guys will probably get mad customers during lunch. In my school, they do this. I see a lot of people trying to hustle, selling candy for $1, $2, so up to $3 sometimes. Because my vending machines in my school are like $2.50. So people selling for $2 or $1.50. And then after that, guys, you guys will get the money back. The candy you guys get back, try not to keep buying it, guys, because if people don't buy the candy, it means people don't like it. Try to buy the candy people like. So after that, you get the money. With the money, guys, go back to the dollar store, buy the candy all over again, and then just keep doing it every single day and every single day until you eventually make a good profit. You don't have to keep doing that. You can invest the money. And yeah, guys, just go to step 3 for teens. Another side hustle you guys could do is, as a teen, is do homework for people while getting paid. So imagine you love to do homework, you enjoy it, and people do not like to do homework. They're willing to pay you to do it, guys. So what you guys could do, guys, is you guys could do like $5 per worksheet. Like imagine the math. In math, you get probably a worksheet a day. Every day that you have math, you get a worksheet. People could pay you $5 a day for math. How many days of school we have? We have over like 170, right? What's 170 times 5, guys? What is that? Let's see. $500, 35. It's 835. Yeah, it's $835 you guys can make in a year just from doing math homework. Imagine all the homeworks though, math, science, reading, all those homeworks, guys. You guys could do it for $5. Imagine how much you make. You can make like not over more. You can't make more than teachers, definitely not. But you guys can make lots of money, guys. What I'm talking about, look, people will pay you to do their homework, guys, because they're tired. And then at the end, you guys will have a lot of money, guys. Keep doing this every year. Middle school, high school, maybe even elementary. If you guys are watching this in elementary, go for it. You guys will make a lot of money. At the end of the money source, you guys will have a lot of money. I recommend doing this, guys. I do not do this because I don't have any free time. And yeah, guys, have fun. Let's go to step 3. Number 3, guys, another thing you guys could do is walk people's dogs, guys. So in my community, guys, I see a lady that walks a bunch of dogs every single day, guys. She probably makes a lot of money because she walks them every single day of the week. So imagine you guys doing this in your community, guys. Just go to your neighbors who know you have dogs, that have dogs. If not, just keep knocking on every door you see and say, hello, sir, I'm willing to walk your dog for money every single day, or a weekly money. And you guys could say, I'm willing to walk your dog for $100 a week. Imagine how many dogs you could walk. You see how many dogs this lady's walking right here? 4 dogs, $400 a week as a teen. That would be crazy. You can get a PS5 in 1 week, just like that, guys. At the end, guys, you guys could do this every single day, and at the end, you guys will have over thousands of dollars. So if you make $400 a week and you get more customers and more customers and more customers, imagine you get like 6 dogs, right? 6 dogs a week. You do $100, and then you could raise the money. Like, you'd be like, sorry, but I'm raising it to 150, and they will pay you still because they don't have time to do it. So they'll give you the extra 150. So imagine you're still doing 6 dogs. 150 times 6. What is that? 6. That's over $900 a week, guys. Imagine $900 a week. That's easy money, guys. Or imagine you keep doing more dogs. Imagine you do 10 dogs for 150. That's over $1,000 a week, guys. You guys know what I mean? Easy side hustles. I'm pretty sure since we're all teens, we won't be able to handle 10 dogs unless we're strong. Like, unless you work out and you're strong. But if not, you guys could go for little dogs. Do 5 dogs, do 3 dogs, or you guys could do 2 dogs or 1 dog. $100 is $100, or 150 is 150. But yeah, guys, that is a good way to make your money as a teen. If you guys do live in a snowy area, guys, during December break or during December days, it depends what time you start school, but I recommend December break, Christmas break, the 2 weeks off. You guys go ask people in the morning, I'm willing to take the snow off your driveway for you guys to go to work for $100 a day. and they could be like, yeah, I'm glad, because they gotta go to work. You feel me? They can't be snowing, getting ready, and going to work at the same time unless they wake up super early, and they might be really tired, guys. So what some people are willing to do, guys, they pay you to take the snow off, guys. Just take the snow off their driveway so they could go happily to work every single day. And the best part about this, guys, is you guys know snow comes back all the time. It doesn't stop, right, until the heat starts coming back. So every single day their driveway's gonna be full of snow, guys, which means every single day you guys can get $100. Imagine how many people you could do this for. If you guys could do it for more than 2 people, $200 a day, woo, in a week that's 1,400, guys. It's more than the money. It's more than selling candy business. It's more than walking the dogs, guys. It depends how many dogs you have, at least. But imagine you could do more than one house a day, guys. Imagine. It's really hard, guys. I won't cap. I'm gonna say one house a day is probably the easiest thing to do. But if you guys have 2 neighbors that are really close by, those 2 houses, easy money. 3 neighbors, easy money. If you guys do know what I mean, guys. That's side hustle number 3 or number 4. I don't know which one we're on, guys. But if you guys are enjoying this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and keep making your passive income as a teen. Alrighty, guys. This one, guys, is a side hustle number 5, guys. So here you guys see, guys, a lot of people always have high lawns that don't like to cut their lawns because they're lazy. And one thing you guys could do, guys, is you guys could offer to cut their lawn for like $200, $100, $50. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, you still will make money. But the best part about this, guys, is multiple people have these lawns, guys. A lot of grass, trees, all that crap. You can't really cut trees, but grass. They have a lot of grass, and it's just not one person, so you guys can go up to house to house to house to house and make more money than a professional does in one day. If you guys know what I mean, imagine you go up to 10 houses in a day and cut their grass. 10 houses, and you save $50. I'm gonna go for minimum wage. Not minimum wage, but like minimum you could ask for. 50 for 10 houses, that's $500. You guys could imagine you charge $1,000 a day. Imagine you charge $2,000 a day. Imagine you charge 25, $250. No, $225. Imagine you charge $10, you can make $100 for 10 houses. But the best part is, guys, it's super easy to cut. All you guys need is a machine to cut it, and you guys can invest in that. Ask your parents to buy it for you, and when they buy it for you, you can pay them back on the money you make. And then at the end of it, you guys will have lots of money. Every day you could do it. Sadly, grass does grow slow, guys, but don't worry. There's millions of houses, millions of people that live around. You could get a little bike, hook the bike to the mow lawn, just go around, and then get the money. You feel me? Get your bag up. Alrighty, guys, that's the end of today's video, guys. Please drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you guys did enjoy this, guys. If these side hustles do work for you, please tell me in the comments. Drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I only did 5 side hustles just to let y'all know. Thank you guys for watching.